Do your noise. Ooh, ooh. Did you just find out how to do that? It's so cute. Tell me more. Ooh, ooh.
Make them pop, see? You gotta keep putting them in until you make them pop. Okay? Let's see what happens.
I don't believe you.
Grandma's gonna help you. We're gonna make
Is that what you want from Santa? Tell him. What do you want from Santa? What? Clothes? Toys? Kisses?
I think he wants a monkey.
He just learned how to make that noise.